Oh, Svenja. What's up, guys? I'm going to do a biking video. Not sure if it's centered because I'm using an iPad, like my LG Samsung kind of thing. Camera broke, and then the closest thing to that is a GoPro. So I'll get a new camera here pretty soon. But I'm just going to mix it up a bit. Well, actually, no. It's going to be a biking video. Kind of me just doing random stuff. And so, yeah, just hope you enjoy, I guess. My grandma's going to be filming also. So, let's do it. I know this is vlogging and gaming channel, but there's my grandma. Let's do this. Yeah. Could you film for me?
Okay.
It's already rolling. I'm just gonna be doing random stuff. Absolutely, like, no tricks or anything. Just random stuff. And this bike is a bit big, but I'll probably grow into it here pretty soon because I almost fit it. I'm almost fully touching it. Two more inches, then I'll be fully touching the ground. Tell me when it's 7 minutes. 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
I will.
You can zoom in by tapping the screen and then going like that. And zooming out is tapping the screen and going like that.
And going like what?
Oh, dang, there's a car. Right when I'm trying to film, there's a car. Wow. I need to get a better camera. I'm using an iPad right now. Does that spit on my face? It feels spit on my face. I'm used to riding a dirt bike because my friend has one, so I put my foot down on turn.
The lighting is better this way because the sun's setting over here.
Make sure you're watching that timer, G's.
I am. 3 minutes, 10 seconds.
Now time for some cool stuff. Really, there's nothing cool to do. But I mean, kind of. I might eat it. I don't know. I probably won't though. See, that was kind of cool. I kind of got a bit of air. Honestly, I closed my eyes because there was some shock that happened. And honestly, I didn't think I did, so I was kind of scared actually at first. But dang it, there's like another door. I think that's a same door. That's why I was stuck.
5 minutes.
Remember, 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Make sure you guys check out for my hoverboard video. It's going to be in a long time, but I'm going to get a hoverboard. I celebrate Christmas, and it's going to be in Christmas. I'm going to ask for a hoverboard.
And here he comes, very, very fast. Logan Armstrong. Oop, pedal went out.
I can't paddle even.
Okay, 6.5 minutes.
Dang it. I'm stuck.
Seven minutes.
How many minutes?
7 minutes, 9 seconds.
Well, I'm going to do my outro since my gears are kind of stuck anyways. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. This is my mother's bike, but she doesn't bike ride like at all. So whenever she's not bike riding, I use it. So it's half hers, half mine. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I said, watch out for that hoverboard video. I mean, it's gonna be a long time. It's gonna be at Christmas time. But it's gonna be at Christmas time. But it's still gonna be a cool video. So make sure you watch my channel during Christmas. And I hope you guys enjoy. So peace out.